Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms. I'm messing around with the stove today at the cabin, and the burners on the left side are working pretty well. The ones on the right didn't work at all earlier, and the fire was actually coming out where the knobs connect here, where the gasket comes in, the air gap. So I took it apart and took a look at it, and what it looked like was that some wasps made a mud hole nest in the tubes that run to the pipes. So I got some wire and cleaned those out, and it worked pretty well on the front one. The back one there is still a little messy burn, but I'm going to let it run here for a little bit and see if it'll clean itself up. Otherwise, I might have to take it apart a little further and see what's going on in there. There must be something that's not getting an even burn there in the back. But so it's looking much better than it was. Thanks for watching. This is where it was plugged up. These were all full of mud from the wasps. So I took a wire and jammed it in there and got all the mud out of them. And that's how I got it working again.